Hi guys. So the other night, it came to my mind to just cut my hair in layers. So what I did was I went to what I like to call YouTube University, and I found a few videos with hairstylists who cut hair in layers. This is my time to demonstrate how I cut my hair in layers. I gave myself my own diva cut. So if you're interested, stay tuned. What's up? I'm back again. Alright, let me tell you what I did. Every time I get my hair cut, either I don't like it, or, and my hair does look amazing, by the way. Either I don't like it, or it costs $50 to get done. So today, I went on YouTube University and I found some videos on layering and trimming your own hair. And to my surprise, the other night, I just decided to go ahead and do it. I ain't just like to do anything like that, but I decided to go ahead and do it. And granted, our videos I watched were of Caucasians layering their hair, but I figured it was the same concept. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Well, this is how I did it. I wanted a bang and I wanted layers. So I got the bangs. I don't know about the layers, but what I had to do was I wet my hair and put conditioner on it, kind of like you do when you do the big chop. So this is what it looks like in the afro state. So I wet my hair, put conditioner on it, detangled really good. And then I just let this conditioner sit in my hair for maybe 30 minutes, just long enough to give it a dry. To let it get a little dry and swell up, you know how we do, so it can shrink up a little bit. And I took a rat tail comb, and in the video it said start at the ear, so I went from ear to ear, parting my hair. Like sure. So I gotta use my mirror, I can't see. So part the hair from ear to ear, start at the ear, from ear to ear. I don't know if you can see that. Part your hair from ear to ear, so. Part going across. Alright, longer in the back. And gradually coming shorter in the front. But if you want to do the back too, you can. So from ear to ear. I'm parting. Alright. So I put the other hand in the back. Like shit. Out of the way. And so we got my ear to ear part. Ear to ear. And I took my Denman brush, or my Felicia Leatherwood brush, I'm sorry. And I comb all my hair to the front. You see me? So comb all your hair to the front. Because you want it all coming to the front like so. So you just detangle. So make sure it's all even. Turn to the side, make sure it's all even coming down. Pull it from this side. And what you do is, make sure all your hair is pulled to the front. So I did it like this. Make sure it's detangled. And I pulled it in the ponytail. And my hair is pretty long. It probably stopped maybe here. But what I did was, in the video, whatever hand, that's your dominant hand. So I'm right-handed. This is my right hand. You take your right hand, put it on, like so, in a scissor motion, and twist. Twist until it's flat, like this. So, right hand, clamp it like it's a pair of scissors. And twist till it's flat. Then take your left hand, match it to the same level, like this, and then twist it in front of you. So now, once it's twisted in front of you, what it's gonna do is, it's gonna layer your hair so it'll shape to your face. Then, you gotta get a good pair of cutting shears, and then you cut to wherever you want it to be cut. So, I didn't want my layers too short, so I just cut a little off. So you just cut, and release. And voila, you have your face shaping layers. So, these are my results. And I like it. Now it has more of a afro shape when I have it in the afro, and I have my bangs like I wanted it. So I'm gonna style it. You know, I love my wash and goes, and I still do follow the curly girl method, believe it or not, I do. So I try to stay away from those silicones so they don't dry my hair out. So I'm gonna style it, and I will be back. Okay, y'all. So what I do is take the shears. See, my bangs are just a little too long, just a little bit. I cut it one time, so I'm just gonna cut it a little bit more, one more time. So what you do is you cut it in a diagonal shape, like we did, wherever you want it to lay. So I want it to lay right above my glasses. So what I'm gonna do is put my hand to wherever I want it to lay, the longest layer to lay, and then you keep your hand like this. Okay, horizontally, index pointer finger. You take it, twist it to the front. Okay, take your left hand right above that and grab it and twist. And then what you do is take your shears, snip, 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 snip. Make sure you have some good cutting shears, and you let go. And voila! Oh yeah. So this is what I'm working with. And I like it a little long. I know it's still a little long, but I like it like this, so that way, you know, I just like it to have a little shag look. But this is how I'm looking with my techniques that I learned off YouTube University. So, that's it for today, guys. And, I hope you like it. So please like, comment, and subscribe below. And until next time, peace.